Okay guys, hi, this is Greg McLeod from the Elite Traders University and my market heat map, and we were looking at the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar was on the move, and so we're going to start closing out some trades here, and we got long on a breakout from a level of consolidation at the zero spot, the 71.55 area, and so we're just closing out some trades here, just trying to take our profit and just roll with it, just trying to grab as many pips as we can. As you can see that we're closing out these trades one by one, and you can see it on the my market heat map. We're up on the Aussie dollar 0.11%. It's the top of the heat map. The my market heat map is an arrangement of currency pairs, 5% exchange. And so we're looking at the Forex currency pairs. You see Aussie Kiwi, Aussie dollar, Aussie Swiss, Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, Aussie CAD, all in the uptrending in the green. And so we got long, and so now we're going to take some profit here and just start closing out these trades one by one. Okay. And so we took out a number of trades in this area. So it was about $2,278 on these trades. In fact, I was with a young man by the name of Steve, and we were trading together, and I was showing him the method of getting in on a breakout from a level of support, a trend line break. We have a supply line is broken, and prices continue to move up. We got in a little early looking for this reversal candlestick, but we're still able to pull out a tidy profit near the highs at 71.90, and we closed out a series of trades there. So if you want to learn more, you can learn tons of stuff here at the My Market Heat Map. You can try it for $1. We have all kinds of things. We have equity heat map, commodities heat map, crypto heat map, Forex majors heat map, all market pairs heat map. We also have charts, quotes, economic calendar, financial news stream, market hours, technical analysis screener, national holidays calendar, sentiment, currency correlations, Forex calculator, Forex liquidity, Forex volatility, central bank rates, premium signals, a glossary, how to choose a broker. Plus we have these tutorials, how to choose a broker, opening a trading account, how to find bullish trends, how to find bearish trends, how to trade the gray zone, even using the gray zone to actually find trades. Just a successful trade. Plus we have bonuses, such as a private coaching session with me, personally, Greg McLeod, in the flesh. You get to talk to me. We walk through trades, and just that alone is worth $500. And guess what? This is not going to cost you $500, okay? VIP Facebook group. Again, you can try this for $1, ladies and gentlemen. Premium email support. You can email me and ask me a question. I can answer it. Plus a free VIP ETU mentorship session preview. You get to actually attend a class, a pre-recorded class of my mentorship. A mentorship I charge $15,000 for. You get to watch it. You get to record it. You get to look at it and actually take this to help you in your trading. Plus, there's a $5,000 scholarship to Elite Traders University off our premier courses. You can be able to use this tuition assistance scholarship to be able to afford some of the premium courses which I offer. Plus, you get a free freshman Forex Foundations course. I'm going to make it better. Not just there's a freshman course. There's a freshman, sophomore, junior, senior course, different levels of courses. But if you act now, I'm going to let you have all 4 of those. 81 videos comes with this as well. Plus my traders checklist, my list of partner brokers, and a whole bunch of other stuff, okay? All for just, you can just try it for $1. What I want you to do is go to my market heat map, and we're gonna go, and then it's just $1. The code you want to type is dollar, DOLLAR heat map, HEATMAP. Sorry. So we're gonna go to pay and trial. Pay and trial. Right. If you do that, that's if you don't want to make money and have a professional trading tool. I call it the trader's buddy. It's like financial freedom in the palm of your hand. It's just $199.97. Ordinarily, right? You can try it for $1, but on top of this, we'll give you 75% off for the annual subscription. You type the coupon code $HEATMAP. $HEATMAP. Now, this is a limited time offer. You normally, again, it's normally $199.97 for a year. And if you apply that coupon, I gotta spell heat map right, $HEATMAP, apply the coupon, $HEATMAP, and it takes off $149.98, makes it only $49.99. Okay, and you can try it 7 days for $1. You probably make more on the first 7 days than the cost of the subscription, right? I just want to offer this to you, because I care about traders. I want to give them a good deal. I want to over deliver, under promise and over deliver, and that's what I do at Elite Traders University in my market heat map. So go ahead and act now. Click the button below. Use that coupon code $HEATMAP. DOLLAR, heat map, HEATMAP. 75% off plus $1 trial. If you don't like it after 7 days, you can go ahead and cancel it. And hey, you know what? Still be friends. And I love you. I wish you all the best. Remember, my market heat map is a trader's buddy. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers, peace, and pips. Out.